Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Google Play Store, but before actually make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required for downloading anything. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps. I mean entering the Google Play Store and downloading the update if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will have to either do it right now after entering the Play Store on your own, or if you don't want to do it on your own, then you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so after entering the Play Store, let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage. And now let's tap on Updates Available. So here we've got the list of the apps which can be updated. Those updates are pending. So all you have to do is to find the app which you'd like to update. So let's pretend I want the Google Chrome. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps, or you can mark only 1, 2, 3. It's totally up to you. So I'll pick also Google Drive and maybe Gemini. So just mark the apps and tap on this update icon. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.